Hello everyone, welcome to the continuation of our tutorial on CSS. So today we'll be learning to change the text color. Yeah. So if you visit W3 schools and then go to the CSS section, you can see some documentation on how to use them. Okay, so as you see here, and then so CSS color values. So we have the RGB, you can use the hex, and then the HSL. Okay. So these values can help you change the color of your text. Okay. So as you see, I have the RGB, and then I'm using VS Code. So VS Code gives me the option to be able to do this kind of changes. Okay. So the R is for red, G is for green, and then the B is for blue. Okay. So if you change these values, it will change the color for you. So if I should go to my document and then if I should refresh, you can see now how this color value because I've changed the RGB values. Now let's try this option using green. So if you know the name of your color, you can just type it, and then once you refresh your website, you should have it affected. Okay, so let's try another documentation. So we have the hex values. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code, this value, then I'm going to paste it here. So if I should paste it, yeah, so now that it's pasted, you can see I have the color being fetched. And then when I go to the website, refresh, I should have it. Okay, so the text now has the tomato color. So let's see how the documentation is from this side. Okay, so when I click on the hex, okay, we should have documentation on hex color values. So hexadecimal values, so I can change these values here. So the green and then the red. Then you can see I have this value. Now when I copy this and then go to my CSS code, okay, when I paste it here, I should have the color. Then I go back to the website and then refresh the page, should have the color being affected here. So let's see, if you visit this link, you can get this particular page and then go through the documentation. Then you should come out with great and interesting projects. So thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.